stepping into the creation of a Mediterranean-style home that aims to be useful, beautiful, and timeless, reflecting a deep understanding of the family's lifestyle and aspirations, with every detail contributing to a sense of personal sanctuary. Alana Homesley interior design brings a thoughtful and personalized approach to her projects, evident in her work on this home project. For this particular residence, her design philosophy likely focused on creating a harmonious and joyful living space that deeply resonated with the client's individual preferences and lifestyle. This home's overall style emphasizes a blend of comfort, elegance, and functionality, often incorporating natural elements and a serene color palette to foster a sense of tranquility. This home designs are known for their meticulous attention to detail and a collaborative process with clients, ensuring that each space reflects their unique personality and needs. This home was emphasized creating a space that is both refined and exceptionally livable, aligning with her signature style of clean, modern aesthetics and refined, yet relaxed, high-end residential spaces. This would suggest a decor that avoids clutter, focusing instead on carefully curated pieces that contribute to a serene and sophisticated atmosphere. This home would have likely incorporated natural light as a key element, enhancing the sense of spaciousness and connecting the interiors with the surrounding environment. The material palette would probably feature a thoughtful blend of textures and natural materials, contributing to a tactile and visually interesting environment. This could include elements like various wood tones, natural stone, and soft, luxurious fabrics, all chosen to create a sense of calm and understated elegance. Given her focus on custom millwork and furniture design, it's highly probable that this home showcases bespoke pieces, tailor-made to fit the space and the client's needs. These custom elements would not only serve functional purposes, but also act as subtle design statements, elevating the overall aesthetic. The color scheme would likely lean towards a soothing and sophisticated palette, perhaps incorporating muted tones, warm neutrals, and subtle pops of color, all contributing to a harmonious flow throughout the home.